Standing on our deck. I just put Maggie Puppies out with Schatzie's puppies, so I'll walk down in the yard in a minute. Just wanted to let you see this. And again, that's the Myra River. So now I'm gonna go downstairs here. Little ones, it's their first day outside, so hi guys, hello guys. In Puppyville here. All right, Fritz. Here they are, all down by my feet. I have to shuffle so I don't walk on them. So. And of course, they're under the platform here. Hey guys, what is it? It's outside. Yeah. What? Two little ones over there wanting. I'll be leaving them, mothers and that in with them in a minute. What is it? Huh? Their puppy food. Puppies everywhere. That's Schatzie. She wants to come in with her babies. And here comes Boo. If I leave them in now, they'll eat all their puppy food. So I separate the adults from the little ones until they finish eating. So, as you can see, they're honed into it. What? Oh, big yawns. Yeah, big outdoors. Of course, the big guys are now used to being out here. It doesn't faze them in the least. Anyway, that's about it for now.